Arguably one of the best villages in the area. Thurlaston, famous for its Draycote water. We've got a golf course next to me. I've got sheep in the field. I've seen thousands of barn conversions, but I've never seen one quite like this. It's a great setting, it's private, it's everything that you'd want to bring up a family. Interestingly, one of the things that the owner always dreamed to own was a crunchy gravel drive, so this is where they start their journey. I can think of 101 good reasons to buy this house. One of them, sadly, isn't staying, so the new owner won't get that particular benefit. But when you do look at this property and you look at all the architectural merits that this property brings, it's not designed by a developer for sale. This house is full of love. It's full of all the things that make a property special, unique. This property didn't start its life off a drawing board and suddenly was manufactured. This organically grew to what you see today. In one of the bedrooms, the youngest was born. This house has got its own journey, and when these people move on, they'll still be leaving behind a bit of their soul. The master bedroom demonstrates a typical example of the infusion between contemporary and farmhouse. We've got some beautiful beams running through. If you look at the Napoleon ball and claw cast iron slipper bath with an Adriatic marble worktop, you've got all of those little components that you'd hope to find in the house of your dreams. On this wing that you can see through the window here, I just wanted to explore a little bit further. We find independence, its own separate kitchen, living, dining space, and also beyond the bedroom there is planning permission already granted to extend further if required. Above the garage is a great piece of space currently being used as sleeping quarters, but would ideally make an office. Hope you've enjoyed this brief tour. If you'd like to come and view the property, please do make an appointment to arrange a viewing.